We're in Kennesaw for the They Will Skate Again event. We take people with various disabilities skateboarding. I mean, these events are their way to bring the community together.
You're doing so awesome!
To let people know that, no matter what happens to your life, you can still follow your dreams and make things happen. Forget about their disabilities and just have fun.
I'm Reagan Johnson, and I'm 6 years old.
I got injured when I was 17, surfing out in California. Broke my neck and, yeah, C6 quadriplegic.
I was born with a wheelchair, and some people have wheelchairs.
Yeah, that was awesome!
Breaking my neck was probably the best thing that ever happened to me. It just opened the door for me to do so many more things.
It took a few years to figure out what I was gonna do after my injury. Came up with an idea to start a foundation, and everyone was always saying, oh, life goes on, life goes on. And I looked down and I saw that I rolled on. I was like, hey, why not life rolls on? Realized that, maybe I had a different purpose in life, and here I was, maybe to help other people. And that's what Life Rolls On is about, and that's what my life has turned into after my injury.
I work with a little girl with spina bifida, and she's pretty much scared of everything but showing off in her wheelchair.
It's because I like to skate, and I can do my tricks.
That's pretty fun, huh? How cool is that?
The people out here in Georgia are just so kind and giving, and they wanted us to come out, and we had to come. Today is going to be a special day. Be a lot of inspiration, a lot of hope. We've had people meet at these events and get married. You never know. Not like you're looking for it, but you never know. We brought a few of our athletes from California and Florida. Just cool to see young kids get inspired and have their little idols helping them out,
These things are really important in our lives. It makes you develop skills that you can use every day, and also pushes everybody's views on the wheelchair, and not just see it as a medical device or something you can actually see as fun. It's kind of like a BMX bike that's strapped to our butts, so.
I can't tell her how to use a wheelchair, but a lot of these experts can show her all kinds of things that I can't show her.
I mean, the best part of the day is just watching these kids smile. Right here, we're just providing them a tool that they could continue to do this without us.
Thanks, Life Rolls On. This is awesome.
It's awesome. I love it. I'm having the best time. This is awesome. What a great event.
Oh, man. Today is a blast at the park. Just riding around. Get it.
It's probably one of the best days of my life.